Thank you. Anyway, gotta clean this car out for sure. But anyway, cold start. Ugh, exhaust rattle. We need gas. Door's not completely closed. We need gas, we need car wash, we need a lot of things, and then we have to go for lunch, brunch. I'm using the real camera today. I look crazy though. Hold on. Can fix myself up. I look crazy. But this is the second video. Not in a row, but anyway. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video with the POV of driving. This is gonna be a little bit of POV, a little bit of vlogging, a little bit of everything. But I'm sorry, I have a goal in mind that I'm trying to hit with this vlogging and YouTube and stuff. And I'm trying to get consistent, and we're gonna get consistent, and I'm gonna keep posting, and y'all gonna keep liking and keep enjoying my content. But we're gonna let this car warm up, and I'm gonna give you a little POV drive on the highway. Nothing too crazy, but go get a car wash because this thing is filthy. You can just see from just right here the window, if you can really see on cam. But go get a car wash, go get some gas, go pick up your girlfriend from class, and then go get food, and then yeah, I'm gonna take you out along with me on the little day in the life, not even a day in the life, whatever. But I'm gonna cut to when we're going through the car wash POV drive. When we driving, yeah, when we driving, and I got some. Yo, so we get on the highway right now, about to go get a car wash. But this is gonna be the last video of the steering wheel. The next video we can see with this car is gonna be maybe we gonna have paddles in this motherfucker. I don't know if y'all ready for that one. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all ready for the paddles. Gonna go crazy in this car. And I got little things I added because when we get to the spot, the car wash, I really talk more about it when we're going through the thing. But I got my OBD2 reader to my phone and stuff like that, the connector. We got BimmerCode. We coded some things to the car. I don't know if y'all realize the mirrors and stuff. The mirrors go in and out, but you got I'll really show you when we get to the spot, because we gotta focus on driving. Can't really be doing too much. But I'm gonna flip the camera back around, and we're gonna lock into some driving. Got no gas either, chat. Oh my god. Wash. But you turn this music off before I get a copyright. I don't know if y'all can really see me, but we're gonna turn the light on. Hold on, we're gonna turn the light on. Can't even see nothing. Can't really see me in here. But anyway, I got my, like I said, OBD2 reader and stuff to do BimmerCode and stuff. So we got, I coded in the sport display, and you get a little bit of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna really go into depth and detail about the BimmerCode and everything about this car with the BimmerCode and what I'm going to do and what I did already with it. It's really not much. I just want to be consistent with the video, so this is like a small, quick video. I know this video is probably looking at it's probably like 5 minutes, probably maybe 7. I don't know, but it's really nothing. I just wanted to tell you guys about the BimmerCode, and then I got the code reader and stuff. We're gonna go into depth with that and stuff. But that's it really. I'm about to show you the car when it's clean. That's it. About to go get food and. That's all really. It's gonna be a quick, simple video. I don't know if y'all can really hear me, but that's all we're gonna be doing. Oh, shit. Like a little medium start. A little pull. Oh, her gas cap's open. You gotta go save the day. No, I'll be next to blow, but I just try to set you up. Let's go 0 to 50. Okay. So we got the wash. But now we're going to talk about the sports display and all the other stuff I coded. So basically, so far I coded the sports display and I coded the when you lock and unlock the car, the mirrors open and close. That's cool. I'm gonna put the video right there. But yeah, that's cool. I'm still looking through it. Let me find a place to put y'all for now. That's calm. Let me go in here and go on BimmerCode. Okay. Let me go on BimmerCode. Okay, so as you can see, it's gonna be right here on the screen. This is the BimmerCode. This is BimmerCode. If you're familiar, if you have a newer BMW, you know the ins and outs of this if you do this stuff. But this is the first time with a newer BMW I'm doing all this stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do with BimmerCode on this is the tailgate functions. So basically, you could, when you open it from the key, you could close it from the key. When you open it from the button down there, I'm gonna show you in a second, you can close it from there. It's a lot easier to live life with the car because of the automatic trunk. There's some fun stuff in here like the head unit, the startup animation I'm gonna do. This is just a demo right now, so I want to do the Rolls Royce just to be funny, but realistically I might do the M and keep it simple and plain, or Alpina, one of the two. Like you see the sport display, I have that active, but this is a demo, but I do have that active as you just saw. I have it to red, but you could do either red or orange. I wish you could do more colors. That'd be cool if you do like pink or like yellow or something. But this is just like the fun controlling stuff to the owning a BMW. That's it. I'm still learning BimmerCode because I just downloaded it not even 2 weeks ago, like a couple days ago. I'm still learning because I just got the cord and stuff like that, but I'm still learning. I'm gonna have to go back into BimmerCode's. I'm about to go back in it and do the retrofit for the steering wheel, because when I have the steering wheel, you gotta code it to the car with the paddles and stuff, and that's gonna be fun. Yeah. See, like I said, this is gonna be a quick short video. It's like a little POV, a little driving, but hold on. Come vlogging. I'm vlogging. See, this is the part of the thing. It would be cool if you click the button here, and then it opens and it closes. Spanks.
Hi vlog. How are we doing today?
Good?
Come on. No, actually,
Oop, 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 oop.
There we go.
See, that would have been a cool part right there. See, if you click the button on the thing, it to close back down.
Oh, that's so cool. It sits right there. You don't even need like a tripod.
And I'm doing this, my outro, because this is a short video. We did car wash, and then I just wanted to show them the BimmerCode.
Oh, nice.
Sort of like a video, so.
Alright, can I tell them about my day? Or you want to cut this part out?
No. I'm not gonna cut it out.
Yeah. Anyway. Hey YouTube. It's me. I know you're probably so excited to see me and not him. But I got out of clinic. My clinic was about 3-4 hours long. It was long, but we just practiced our posterior instruments. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna bore you too much with that stuff, but then my stink picked me up. We got some food. We were debating on what we wanted, and if you know us, you know we're always getting food, and we're always eating.
Where's the bag of leftovers?
Right here.
Oh, I was about to have a panic attack.
See? But yeah, we decided on Texas Roadhouse. We decided on Texas Roadhouse because we were gonna go to Chipotle, but we have Tex-Mex at the school, so it's just like there's no point in having the same kind of thing. So, what would you rate your meal?
It was valid. I'd give it like a 7.5 out of 10.
7.5, that's it?
Yeah.
You didn't like it?
No. It was alright.
Okay, he didn't like it apparently, but it was pretty for me at least. I'm tired, but I can't be tired because we're going to the gym in a little bit to hit back and buy. I know he's excited for that. And then I have to go to the library and do some work and post content for TikTok. So
Take your TikTok. Add it.
yeah, we're gonna put my ad right in here. Okay, thank you. I make dental hygiene videos. I make what else do I make?
You make everything.
I make everything, lifestyle content. So check me out on there.
What is it again?
Ariana.
No,
I'm gonna go like this.
just put it there.
Bloop.
Just put it right there, yeah.
Right here. Right here. Follow me. It's also the same as my YouTube. So
What is that one?
check me out. We go put it right here.
Yeah, we can put it right there.
But yeah. Okay. Bye. What does that mean?
Oh,
No, my phone.
we hit 160 horsepower, and that's not even full throttle. I did a pull earlier. After that, I did a pull and full, like, not all the way throttle, but in Mexico, of course. I hit 240. So
In Mexico,
of course, I hit 240. The car, once I get it tuned, and everything can go up to 400 on there, and then probably wheel, I'm about to be pushing like 350. So
you realize that like I'm recording you right, and you're saying made in Mexico, but we're driving past things, and if anybody ever wanted to like crack the case and figure out where we were. Plus, I think it says it right here on my scrub.
But we're in Mexico.